Today we're out in Santan Valley at Bella Vista Farms. We're at my newest listing. What makes this listing special? This is a 3-year-old Lennar Revolution floor plan. The Lennar Revolution floor plan is a NextGen home. So this is perfect for multi-generational families, where you can have, if you have your parents, teenagers, they have their own separate kitchen, their own separate entrance through the garage. They have their own laundry facilities. This is perfect if you're at that point in life where you need that multi-generational family home. So let's go inside, let's check this thing out. It's not, there's not very many places where you can get a home like this for under $500,000, and this one is. Let's go in and check it out.